Now you bought a moisturizer because you actually want a soft, hydrated and glowing skin. But what if I now told you that the way you are applying or choosing your moisturizer could actually be making your skin worse? And I am not trying to say moisturizer is not good. What I'm trying to say is many of you don't know how to choose your moisturizer the right way. Apart from you choosing them with trends, most of you don't even know how to apply your moisturizer. Now, number one, apply your moisturizer to a completely dry skin. Now, for you to have a fully hydrated and rich humectant based formula product, you need to apply it on a damp skin, which will also help to support hydration, not on a dry skin. Now, using too much moisturizer doesn't automatically mean the product will work or it will cause more hydration. No. Now, a thick moisturizer can actually feel heavy, and depending on the formula of your skin, may actually contribute to congestion. Number three, using the wrong moisturizer for your skin. Because you have a dry skin, oily skin, acne prone skin, doesn't necessarily mean you need the same type of moisturizer for that skin type. No. And again, the fourth one, using moisturizer but ignoring sunscreen. Category because I use moisturizer during the day, I don't need sunscreen. Are they the same thing? They don't do the same work. Sunscreen helps to shield your skin from the UV ray, to help protect your skin from the damaging effect of the sun. And a moisturizer is to help hydrate your skin. So báwo ni wọ́n ṣe papọ̀? Number five, changing moisturizer constantly. I choose this, I choose this, I choose this, I choose this, I switch here, I switch here. Every AK market day, they will see you with different products. No, it doesn't work that way. The sixth one, using a moisturizer that irritates your skin. Most of you tend to think that if a moisturizer gives you a burning sensation, skincare is not hurtful. You don't need to be hurting your skin for you to see the work. Your moisturizer is not supposed to fight your skin. It's supposed to support your skin. So before you buy another expensive moisturizer or a moisturizer, make sure it's the right moisturizer for your skin. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.